Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. A case of mistaken identity. It's the story of a woman whose picture has gone viral as the lead suspect in the killing of 8-year-old Daniel Rowe. But she's innocent. Karen Simpson has her story.
This is Britany Thompson, a young woman from St. Andrew. And this is a computer-generated image of a suspect the JCF linked to the brutal murder of 8-year-old Daniel Rowe. They are not the same person. A teary-eyed Britany says she has been doing her best to explain this to the public since Thursday, when persons started saying she was a person of interest.
I just came here today to clear my name, so the whole public can know say man I have nothing to do with the murder of this little girl. I don't know this little girl's family. I don't know anything about it. I just want to know for stop because it has stressed me out. I'm 5 months pregnant and it has drained my energy. It's draining me. I just want him to stop. At 3 days now I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat from Thursday. And that is not healthy for me or my child. Right? I hardly sleep. I have to watch my back constantly on the road. I can't travel in a normal public transportation.
The police has got involved in what is threatening to become a dangerous case of mistaken identity. Ms. Thompson says even another close relative has been threatened due to the case.
I called the police to come for me at my house Thursday so I can go by the station and report it. That my picture has been going around, that I am a person of interest. Go by the station, I said. Them said they're not looking for me. Them even said I don't even look like the image that they put out there.
The St. Andrew woman reasoned the case shows the dark side of social media, as bloggers and other content creators online have been pushing the incorrect story.
It's not like say the JCF put it out or the Gleaner or whatever. It's stupid face social media platforms putting it out and people are running with the information like to them now in a sense. And it's irritating me. It's irritating me and I don't like it and they need to stop.
Ms. Thompson also expressed her condolences to the family of Daniel Rowe and says she hopes the real perpetrator can be caught soon. In the meantime, our sources indicated members of the police high command have been made aware of Ms. Thompson's case and have ordered an investigation. Karen Simpson for TVJ News.